The CEEPUY 2-in-1 pole chainsaw offers versatility with its ability to switch between a handheld chainsaw and an extended pole saw, making it perfect for both low and high cutting tasks. Its adjustable pole extends up to 9.6 feet, allowing users to safely reach heights of 15.6 feet without the need for ladders, while the saw head can be set at 6 different angles for easy trimming. Equipped with an 880-watt brushless motor, this chainsaw provides powerful performance with extended runtime and reduced noise compared to traditional motors. The 221-volt 4,000 mAh battery packs ensure long-lasting use, with up to 40 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge, and feature overload protection for enhanced safety. An oil filling system simplifies maintenance by easily lubricating the chain, which enhances cutting efficiency and reduces the need for frequent refills. The tool-free chain adjustment system makes it user-friendly, allowing quick and effortless chain tension adjustments without the need for additional tools.